the teachings into it. We have different functions. We have 6 different steps to ensure that we can prevent transmission through the death.
I would like, Chairperson, that the Professors Committee of Professionals nominates 2 people. I will immediately speak to my colleague, the Minister for Health, to have them be incorporated in the National Emergency Response Committee so that they are there to respond and address the issues that specifically affect the Muslim community immediately. It's unfortunate that sometimes that perception can exist, but I came to confirm to you, and believe you me for sure, this is the position of government. There is no effort to target anyone on account of their creed, on account of their ethnic community, on account of their cultural background, on account of the region they come from in the country, on account of anything. Because there is no need to do that. We are suffering equally. This disease does not choose. It does not choose where you come from. It does not choose your status. It does not choose your religion.